I'm Richard Elisha Tuzemi. Many casualties recorded at Otedola Bridge in Lagos as tanker went for catch fire. Any car when they park around that place collects. Houses when that area collects. Many people don't lost their life and property due to this tanker went for where catch fire. Now, that place, they need to do something seriously about that place because many souls they collect for that place. Now, meanwhile, Nigeria Fire Service, they don't come out to make sure say they put off the fire when a burst out due to the tanker went for the Otedola Bridge for Lagos State.
See that Corolla, see they born like that. See Corolla, people dey inside who know how far about the people. Maybe one car, maybe two cars born here, guy. Guy don't fail brake. I tell you, the truck, the fail brake, guy. Now the tanker did here, so I don't know whether I'm visiting. The tanker did here like this, so guy. And the tanker did here, so one lie. And as you see the thing like this, see now, see guy, see Kekena Peps, and people dey inside all these things where they see you. See, he affect people as this guy.
But I just heard bow.
I think
right, and then a few seconds later, fire just blew up.
Oh my god!
The explosion started before.
There must be cars there. Oh.
The explosion started before the fire came out.
It should rain now. What? This is much. 4 people are still alive. God. Hey God, are you sure people are still alive?